Hello everyone, welcome to Learn and Development Channel. If you are looking to automate your workflow and add a code to it, like generating QR codes, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to create a QR code using Power Automate. So let's get started. So creating QR code using Power Automate is very easy. So click on create, then let's choose instant class flow. Then let's give a name to this flow. Then let's choose manual trigger flow. Then let's add this. Let's search for encoding. Then let's search for create QR code. So for the first time, they will request for API. So when you go to encoding page, then you sign up. You can see the API here. Then you copy it. Then let's put a string here where you want to put in the website that you want to show. Then the image format, that's PNG. You can adjust or you can set the height and the width, then add the colors and everything. Then let's add this another action, that's create a file. Under OneDrive for business, you click on create file. Then let's choose a path where you want to save the QR code. Then I'll choose approve. Then the file name, I'll name it. Then the file content, I'll choose same file content. Then I'll click on save. Then I'll click on test. Then I'll click on run flow. So done. So as you see here marked green, so that means it has done. So I'll locate to OneDrive. This is the folder I saved into. So this is where I saved the QR code to. So this is how you create a QR code using Power Automate. So I'll leave it here so that I try to. Goodbye.